10 lines about aeroplane. First line. Aeroplane is a man-made aircraft that can fly around the world. Second line. It is a modern means of air transport. Third line. Aeroplane was invented by the Wright brothers in 1903. Fourth line. An aeroplane is driven by pilot and assistant pilot. Fifth line. It needs a runway for landing and takeoff. Sixth line. The place where we can board and deboard to and from aeroplanes is called airport. Seventh line. Aeroplanes are used to make maps of remote areas and countries. Eighth line. Business use cargo flights to transport their goods from one place to another. Ninth line. It is very fast and costly medium of transport. Tenth line. It saves time and makes the world smaller.